Hey everyone, today we are embarking on a comprehensive journey, a step-by-step guide on how to master the art of building your digital marketing team. Buckle up for an in-depth exploration into assembling a powerhouse crew that propels your agency to new heights. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting in the digital marketing arena, this guide is crafted to equip you with the insights and strategies needed to curate a team that not only meets but exceeds the demands of the ever-evolving digital landscape. Get ready for a transformative ride into the realm of team building. Navigating the early stages. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the intricacies of team building in the early stages, particularly when faced with the common challenge of limited resources. The landscape of digital marketing is vast and dynamic, presenting both opportunities and obstacles, especially for those navigating the initial phases of establishing their team. Budget constraints often accompany the early stages, necessitating a strategic and learned approach to team building. In the nascent stages of your digital marketing agency, it is not uncommon for the team to consist of just you or a close-knit group of associates. This phase is both exciting and challenging, as it sets the tone for your agency's culture, work ethic, and overall trajectory. The key is to view these limitations not as obstacles but as opportunities for innovation and creativity. Efficiency becomes paramount when resources are scarce. We will delve into the actionable strategies on how to maximize productivity, leverage individual strengths, and foster a collaborative environment within your tight-knit team. The early stages offer a unique chance to cultivate a culture of adaptability and resilience, traits that will serve your team well as you navigate the evolving landscape of digital marketing. Moreover, we will explore how to identify and prioritize roles within your team, ensuring that each member contributes strategically to your agency's objectives, whether it is honing in on a specific skill sets, wearing multiple hats, or cross-training team members. The goal is to create a dynamic and versatile team capable of handling diverse challenges. As we navigate through these early stages, remember that every agency's journey is unique. Your team's composition, strengths, and collaborative spirit will play a crucial role in shaping your agency's identity. The insights shared today are designed to provide a compass for the early steps of your team building expedition, helping you lay a solid foundation that will support the growth and success of your digital marketing agency in the exciting times ahead. So, buckle up for an extended exploration into the nuances of team building in the early stages, where ingenuity and resourcefulness pave the way for a resilient and thriving team. Now, you might be wondering, why keep it lean in the early stages of team building? The answer lies in acknowledging budget constraints, a common challenge that many burgeoning digital marketing agencies face. The financial bandwidth to hire a full-time team may not be readily available, but fear not. I am here to guide you on how to leverage freelancers effectively, providing valuable insights into structuring this initial team for maximum impact and efficiency. Budgetary limitations often necessitate a creative and resourceful approach to team expansion. By strategically tapping into the pool of freelance talent, you gain the flexibility to access specialized skills without the commitment of full-time hires. This approach not only conserves resources, but also allows you to tailor your team composition to the specific needs of your projects. In this guide, we will explore the art of identifying freelance talent, understanding their strengths, and integrating them seamlessly into your projects. Learn how to craft compelling project briefs, establish clear communications channels, and build a collaborative relationship with freelancers who can bring a diverse range of skills to your team. Moreover, we will delve into the benefits of a hybrid team model, where a core team works collaboratively with freelancers. This approach offers the best of both worlds, the stability and consistency of a core team combined with the flexibility and scalability provided by freelancers. It is a strategic balancing act that optimizes your team's capabilities while staying within budget constraints. So, if you find yourself navigating the early stages of team building with financial considerations in mind, fret not. The freelancing landscape is a treasure trove of talent waiting to be harnessed, and I am here to guide you on how to structure and leverage this initial team effectively for the success of your digital marketing agency. Let us embark on this journey of strategic team building together. Now, let us talk about a critical aspect of team building: diversity. Diversifying across different skill sets is key creating a well-rounded and adaptable team. From graphic designers to web developers and copywriters, each skill set adds a unique layer of expertise to your team. In this segment, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to cultivate a dynamic network of professionals ready to tackle any project that comes your way. Digital marketing landscape is multifaceted, and success often hinges on the ability to meet diverse challenges head-on. By assembling a team with a spectrum of skills, you are not only prepared for a variety of projects but also poised to offer comprehensive solutions to your clients. We will explore the process of identifying the specific skill sets needed within your team based on your agency's focus and goals. Whether it is visual storytelling, website development, or crafting compelling copy, each skill contributes to the overall efficacy of your digital marketing endeavors. Creating a dynamic network involves strategically sourcing talent from different backgrounds and experiences. I will guide you through the steps of reaching out to professionals in various fields, building relationships, and fostering a collaborative spirit within your team. Learn how to create a team that not only excels in individual's expertise but thrives in synergy, creating a collective strength greater than the sum of its parts. Moreover, we will discuss the benefits of a diverse team, not only in terms of skill sets but also in terms of perspectives and ideas. A team with diverse backgrounds brings a richness of creativity and innovation, essential elements in the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, if you're ready to take your team building journey to the next level, buckle up for a detailed exploration into the importance of diversifying across different skill sets. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to create a dynamic network that is not only ready for any project but poised to excel in the dynamic and ever-changing realm of digital marketing. Crafting your freelance dream team. Now, let us take a deep dive into crafting your freelance dream team. In the world of freelancers, organized chaos is often the name of the game. I am here to guide you through the process of creating a detailed spreadsheet or visual chart outlining your freelancer strengths, ensuring your team is not just ready but well prepared for any challenge that comes your way. Building a freelance dream team involves more than just compiling a list of available talents. It is about understanding the unique strengths and capabilities each freelancer brings to the table. In this segment, I will walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive spreadsheet or chart that goes beyond basic contact information, providing a holistic view of your freelancer's expertise, experience, and availability. We will explore the art of categorizing freelancers based on their skill sets, be it graphic design, content creation, website development, or any other specialized field. Learn how to assess their strengths, previous projects, and preferred working styles. This organized approach ensures that when a project arises, you can swiftly identify the ideal freelancer for the job. Moreover, we will delve into the importance of maintaining open communication channels with your freelance team. Building strong relationships with freelancers involves more than just project-based interactions. I will share insights on fostering a sense of collaboration, creating a virtual workspace that feels inclusive and interconnected, even in the world of remote work. Now that you are geared up to craft your freelance dream team, the next question is, where do you find these freelance gems? Fear not, as I am here to unveil a variety of avenues, from referrals to platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn. Get ready to discover the secrets of building a team that not only meets but exceeds your expectation. Finding the right freelancers is akin to discovering hidden gems in a vast landscape. We will explore the power of referrals. Tapping into recommendations from your professional network can lead you to freelancers with proven track records. Learn how to leverage your connections to uncover talents that might not be visible through traditional channels. Platforms like Upwork offer a treasure trove of freelancers spanning various fields. I will guide you through the process of navigating these platforms, from creating compelling job postings to vetting potential candidates. Discover the strategies to identify freelancers who align with your agency's goals and values. LinkedIn, with its professional networking prowess, serves as another goldmine for freelance talent. I will share insights on how to utilize LinkedIn to connect with freelancers, assess their profiles, and initiate meaningful conversations. Building a team that exceeds expectation often starts with cultivating relationships on platforms where professionals converge. Additionally, we will delve into the importance of maintaining a talent pool, a curated list of freelancers whom you can tap into when the need arises. By proactively building and nurturing this pool, you ensure a steady supply of reliable and skilled freelancers at your fingertips. As we uncover these avenues, you will gain the expertise to navigate the dynamic landscape of freelance talent acquisition. Building a team that not only meets but exceeds your expectations requires a strategic and diversified approach, and I am here to guide you through the process. So, let us unveil the secrets of finding those freelance gems and assembling a dream team that elevates your digital marketing agency to new heights. Making decisions, freelancer versus employee. As you embark on the journey of team building, a pivotal decision awaits: freelancer versus employee. In this segment, I will guide you through the pros and cons of each, providing valuable insights to help you make informed decisions based on your agency's unique needs and future goals. The choice between freelancers and employees is a strategic decision that shapes the dynamics and structure of your team. Freelancers offer flexibility, specialized skills, and scalability, making them an ideal choice for project-based work. On the other hand, employees bring commitment, long-term dedication, and the potential for in-house cohesion. We will explore the advantages of hiring freelancers, from accessing a global pool of talent to cost flexibility. Learn how to leverage freelancers for specific projects, providing the agility needed to adapt to changing workloads. I will also delve into potential challenges, such as communication nuances and the need for clear project management. Employees, with their commitment and deep integration into your agency's culture, offer stability and a sense of ownership. I will walk you through the benefits of having an in-house team, including consistent collaboration and the potential for long-term growth. However, we will also discuss the challenges such as financial commitments and potential limitations in specialized skill sets. Now, let us delve deeper into the freelancer advantage, where flexibility and cost-effectiveness reign supreme. The ability to pay freelancers per project offers unparalleled control over your cost, providing a strategic edge for optimal profitability. In this segment, I will guide you through gaining insights into strategically using freelancers, ensuring that your agency not only stays agile but also maximizes profitability. Flexibility is a hallmark of the freelancer advantage. With freelancers, you have the power to assemble a team tailored to the specific needs of each project. Whether you require a graphic designer for a website overhaul or a content creator for a social media campaign, freelancers allow you to access specialized skills without the long-term commitment. Cost effectiveness is another key benefit. Paying freelancers per project means you only incur expenses when their expertise is actively contributing to a specific task. This flexibility in financial commitments aligns with the ebb and flow of project-based work, ensuring that your agency remains agile in responding to varying workloads. I'll provide insights into creating a project-based payment structure that not only benefits your agency but also aligns with fair compensation for freelancers. By understanding the intricacies of project pricing, you can build a mutually beneficial relationship with freelancers, fostering a positive and collaborative working environment. Moreover, we will discuss the importance of clear communication and project management when working with freelancers. These elements are crucial for maximizing the efficiency and effectiveness of project-based collaborations. Learn how to set expectations, define deliverables, and establish transparent workflows that lead to successful project outcomes. By strategically leveraging the freelancer's advantage, your agency can navigate the dynamic landscape of digital marketing with agility and precision. The insights shared in this guide will empower you to harness flexibility and cost-effectiveness of freelancers, ensuring that each project contributes not only to the success of your clients, but also to the profitability and sustainability of your agency. So, let us explore the strategic use of freelancers and unlock the full potential of your digital marketing endeavors. As your agency continues to grow, scalability becomes a key consideration. In this segment, I will share strategies on adapting to scalability, ensuring that your team structure evolves seamlessly with your expanding workload. Learn how to transition from a primarily freelancer-based model to a more traditional hiring model when the time is right without compromising efficiency. Scalability is the ability to handle an increasing volume of work without sacrificing performance or efficiency. Initially relying on freelancers provides the agility needed to navigate fluctuating workloads. However, as your agency grows, you might find the need to build a more stable and consistent in-house team. I will guide you through the process of identifying the right time to make the transition, recognizing the signs that your agency's workload is consistently high and that certain roles require a more permanent presence is crucial. This transition is about finding the balance between flexibility and stability. When the time is right, I will share insights on how to effectively hire and integrate full-time employees into your team, from defining roles and responsibilities to creating a cohesive team culture. These strategies will help you maintain efficiency and productivity during the transition. Additionally, we will explore the importance of clear communication and transparency during this phase. Keeping freelancers informed about the changes in team structure ensures a smooth transition and fosters positive relationships. It is about acknowledging the contributions of freelancers while embracing the benefits of a more permanent team. And there you have it. Aspiring Digital Dynamos, a comprehensive guide on mastering the art of team building for your digital marketing agency. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to successfully get your first clients and set prices for your business. Ultimate Growth Strategy Guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.